Hi, this is Kevin Sewer coming to you from StockTA.com. I'm going to do a quick sector overview of the crypto market currently. It is Saturday, October 12th, 2024. Just a reminder that this information contained here is just for educational and informational purposes only. This is not investment advice. I am not a registered financial advisor, and please consult one before you put a dollar of your hard-earned money into these crazy markets. I also may or may not have positions in some of these stocks mentioned. So let's start with IBIT. IBIT is iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF. We have it bullish across the board. It has major support at 34.40. It closed at 35.94. Bitcoin had a good week this week. It's currently at $63,280. It was plus 8% for the past week, and it's just up over 39% year to date. I'm curious, and the reason I'm doing this video is I'm trying to see if crypto and crypto related things could be bottoming in the short term, and if this is the start of a new wave up. So let's dive a little deeper back into the charts. EMA for IBIT, very bullish across the board. MACD, very bullish. Has medium support, medium resistance at 36.20, and then small resistance above that. So there's a chance that this 34.40 could be the short-term bottom for IBIT. Let's check out ETH. ETH is another ETF for Ethereum, closed at 20.74, neutral overall, neutral short-term. This one's very interesting because it's kind of range bound right now. Has medium support at 20.68, and then more heavy resistance at 22.80, and some resistance above it. The EMAs on it are bearish or very bearish. Fibonacci is very bearish, and it gapped up on Friday just a little bit, barely at all. But this chart is really ugly, but I'm curious to see if this 20.68 level holds again. It needs to break out above basically the $23 mark, but ETH is a chart that's very beat up that could be one to keep an eye on. WGMI is the Valkyrie Bitcoin Miners ETF, neutral overall, bullish short term, closed at 18.93, has medium support at 18.48 and 17.58. Resistance very small at 19.55, so this could run up a little bit. Has medium resistance at 20.31 and then small resistance above it. Again, this chart's been a little beat up since the summer. So I'm curious to see if it's trying to form a short-term bottom here. EMA analysis, MACD's also bullish. Let's check out CleanSpark. This chart came up in my screen. Really ugly chart. It's down 50% since the summer, closed at 9.59, neutral overall, neutral short term. The resistance level here is really interesting. Resistance at 9.72 is very high, but above that, there's really not much until you get up into the $12, $15 range. So if this can break out, a little higher, this actually might have a little bit of room to run. You know, if it can get over, I mean, that's some pretty heavy resistance. The EMAs are bearish, MACD's short term is very good, but overall not great. So that's one I'm keeping an eye on, and I'm watching for a potential breakout here. MicroStrategy, ultimate leverage play to any Bitcoin, neutral overall, bullish short term, has really run up in the past couple weeks, closed at 212, was under 125 bucks to start September. The chart is starting to get really stretched though. That's all small support. There's no medium support until you get all the way down to 152. So personally, I'm not chasing this right here. I'd like to see it consolidate a little bit and build some more medium to heavy support in the 200s area or the high 190s before I would think about jumping into this. EMA still very bullish. MACD starting to lose some signal strength, and the RSI is almost 75, so it's definitely overbought. Maxi, another Bitcoin ETF, neutral overall and short term, closed at 21.99, has heavy support at 21.92. So this is one I'm definitely watching closely. I'm curious to see if this 21.92 will be a short term, could be a new bottom, either short term or longer term. But medium resistance 23.82, and then small resistance above that. So if this can, you know, maintain the support level and continue to run up, if you look at this chart, it's again pretty beat up from over the summer. This could be another one that if crypto is bottoming here, this could make another move up. BITO, another ProShares Bitcoin ETF, neutral overall and short term. This one's been range bound for a little bit. Medium support at 17.87, heavy resistance right at 20. It closed at 17.98. So this one again has a little room to run. And then above 20, really some small resistance levels all the way up to the 24 level. So if this can break out above that $20 mark, it could run a little higher up to 23, 24, 25. A lot of the other chart indicators are bearish right now. The RSI is only 47. So again, this one's kind of a watch and wait to see, is it going to remain range bound? It's basically been range bound since the middle of August. CIFR mining, this one came up in the screen as well, closed at 4.19, neutral overall, bullish short term. Has some heavy support at 3.65, some medium support at 4.17, and then all the resistance levels above it are all small. So this could continue to run up a little bit. I think that 3.65 is a pretty solid number that it would not dip below. Again, these charts change daily, so that number can change. It can either gain strength or lose strength, but the chart's not too stretched right now, and it does have some good support and some other technicals behind it. So this is one I'm also watching. HUD 8 Corp, neutral overall, neutral short term, closed at 11.72, has heavy resistance at 12.33, and not much for support, basically all the way down to almost $9. So this chart doesn't intrigue me as some of the other ones I mentioned, but I wanted to show it. RSI only 51, it has a lot of leverage to the price of crypto. So if crypto keeps rising and it gets above 12.33, it could really run. Another chart that's beat up. And the last one I wanted to share today is Mara Holdings, neutral overall, neutral short term, closed at 16.08. Medium to heavy medium to heavy support at 15.49. Slight resistance at 16.90, small resistance 17.8, medium resistance at 18.86. So this one is trying to bottom, it looks like, in the mid 15s. Some mixed bag with the chart indicators. RSI is only 50. But this has been one of my favorite, crypto mining companies to play over the course of the year. And I'm definitely watching for an entry point here to see, this has a lot of leverage to it, and it's down almost 50% from the summer. So thank you for taking the time to watch this. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on X, and check us out at stockta.com. Thank you.